Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another video on the light bag collection. So as for the last video I upload, I say we'll proceed from the cutting. So that's what I'm trying to do now right away. You place your pattern on the Ankara fabrics you want to use and you cut it out just as I'm doing right now. You make sure you leave a space for this side. You leave a space at this top as well. You leave a space here. Here is the foldable. You fold it into two and you do the same thing to all the material, all the parts. As this is the front, this is the under, this is the left, right, left, left, this is the side, right, side, left, and this is the cover of the bag. Then this is the back. And when we finish cutting and we finish sewing, we have something just as the one I've made earlier. This is it. I decided to make it first before I start the video, but this video will be also joined to the rest of it. As you can see, this is the side of the bag and this is the under, the one I was showing that is the under. This is the other side and this is the cover and this is the back side. And after I finish making something like this, we place it on each other this way, then we sew it together and input our D-ring here to carry the bag with the chain, and that will be our bag. So let me proceed and cut everything. I might not show you the way I cut since I've explained to you, and on the sewing of this as I've also explained to you, I may not even show that again. I will just show you the last process of assembling the bag, and we shall proceed for there. And I hope you guys understand. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below on what you think on this particular bag we make, share with your friends, and like, and let me know in the comment section down below what projects you would like to see next. And when you subscribe again, make sure to click the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we upload a new video. And let's proceed to what we are trying to do. So this is everything, guys. This is the bottom of the bag, this is the side, the two side of the bag, this is the cover of the bag, the front cover, this is the center, which is also the back of the bag, and this is the main front of the bag. So the way everything is, when you are cutting, you fold this into two, as you can see, and you face the real side will be facing each other and the rough side will be at the back. Then you also cut the way I cut everything. As you can see, I leave a space here and the other side as well, so that when you sew round on this and you turn it back, you leave an opening, and you see that in the next part of the video I'm going to show you. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification when you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we upload a new video. Like this video, comment on what you think on this particular project, share with your friend, and we'll see you at the end of the video. And that is all. Let's proceed to making the rest. So here is it, guys. As I've shown you, this is the continuation of the video. So you see, when you cut, you fold it. When you are cutting the fabrics, as you can see, I folded it, then you place this on it and sew. As you can see, this is the stitch. I've sewn it round. After you sew it round, then you cut this place and you leave a space so that you will be able to turn the fabrics, just as I've leave a space in this place. As you can see, this is the place where I will turn the fabrics. The same thing applicable to the back side. I finished sewing it. As you can see, this is the stitching mark round. Then I also leave a space for me to turn it. Then the side I was talking about, this side is the one I finished sewing. I've turned. As you can see, it's very neat. So why I do this like this, I decide not to use gum, because if I will use gum, it will be much easier, but a longer process and also stressful as well. So I decided not to use gum, just do it like this. As you can see, I've turned this outward, and this is the good side, while the other side you can see inside is the rough side. So this is my two side, this is my back, and I have my center at this place, which will go this way. I will stitch it at the center, so I will show you the process as well. Then this is my main front. This particular one is my main front, and this is my front cover, the one I shaped yesterday. I've finished making it and I've also stitched it outside. It will be the front cover. It will be placed on this particular one, the way I place it like this. So let's continue and I will show you the process as I proceed. So thank you guys for watching. So for you to be able to get this particular center, you fold this one this way, the way I folded it like this. You fold it this way. You can use your scissors to make it so that it stand. Then you did the same thing to this center as well. You do it this way. Then you keep this where you wanted to sew it. You keep it as this is now at the center. Then you sew. You stitch it. Make sure you stitch where you want it to be. You cut the thread, put it in the top and bottom. As you can see, this is what I have. So this will go this way on the back. So after you did this, after you've done this, then you do the same thing to the other part as well. What you did here, you do the same thing to the other parts and proceed from there. Then apart from that, the front, before you sew this to the front, make sure you place this front on this particular back. When you place it, you use your tailor chalk. Or maybe if you have a pencil, you don't use pen, don't use biro, please. You put your pencil, you trace this out, you trace the top out, you trace this out. So that when you do this will start from this particular place on the back to go under, and the front cover as well. You know the exact place to sew it. It's not for you to sew and you start using because you want to use in this kind of project. So like project will be very neat. So as I've said, that you attach this to your person. You see, I've attached it to attach this side, attach this side as well. Then what I was trying to say is you place this particular one, the front, you place it on the back this way, then use your tailor chalk. Make sure you use your tailor chalk or your pencil. Please don't use biro so that you don't ruin your project. Then you place it on it like this. You mark out. Why we are using tailor chalk is that because it is very easy to clean after you finish your project compared to biro, and pencil are easy to clean as well. As you can see, I've marked this out. So when I want to sew this, this will be placed here, and when I finish making this, when I finish sewing this to this will be placed here. So from there we start attaching this to this, and I'll show you the process as we proceed. One thing you should never forget to put is this your magnetic snap. So I just put, before you start sewing and cover this place, you put it and you make sure you insert the washer. This is the one for the cover. I'm going to do that once I finish doing this. So I've just inserted it. Then you make sure you place this the way I arrange it like this. make sure this one is accurate. Then here where the magnetic snap is, you face it back this way. Then this one you place it like this. You make sure you arrange and everything is accurate before you start sewing. Just as I've done. Then you start sewing. You reverse your machine and you start stitching to the end. So after you finish sewing this, just the way I sew this, as you can see. Are you guys seeing it? I sew this, and this is it. To be this way. Then where we mark, remember, then you come to place it from where we mark. You sew it downward, you sew it this way, you sew it to the other way as well. So that's how to do this, and you shall proceed, and we'll see you on the other side. So here we have the two parts. The one I just finished making, and the first one I make. As you can see, this is the pockets. We use the Ankara to fold everything, so without using lining. And this is the side. I hope by now you guys have known how to do this right now. As you can see, you first sew it at the center the way it is, you attach it to the side. Then here you don't have to sew. As you can see, there's a space here, there's no sewing. And this is the other one as well, its own pocket, the same process as the first one. Then the next thing we are going to do now, we'll turn this back, and the back of this we'll place it on each other. Then we sew. That's the next procedure. Then we'll insert a D-ring, the small D-ring. I have the D-ring here. This is the D-ring. We'll insert the D-ring, so you see the process as we are making it right away. So I'm about to start this right now. So I decided not to sew everything here. Like the previous one I did, I sew everything at the top, so there's no space at the center. This one I decided to leave it so that definitely if you want to put anything there. And this is the D-ring I'll be using. You insert it at the edge. Make sure it doesn't go to the last end. You insert it and you sew. Just as it is here. And you keep sewing it around to the other side. So welcome back guys, this is the final product. As you can see, I've join the two parts together. As I was saying earlier, I put a opening at the center, maybe if you want to keep something, but normally the previous one I've made, there's no opening at this place, it was sealed all around. So this is a D-ring gear for the chain or the handle, and this is everything. One part is white and the other side is black. So this is everything. As you can see the way the bottom is. Actually, I've never seen a bag made in Ankara made with this bottom pattern. I think this is the first one. And there you have it. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time we upload a new video. Like, leave a comment down in the comment section below on what you think and what we should do next. Share with your friends, and thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one. Expect a lot of good and interesting projects on this channel this year, and bye for now.